Good evening, Unhidden History fans. There's no intro today because I'm doing something a little bit different with this video. Um, because it takes me just a very long time to make videos, I've decided to start filming like short ones, to just kind of give you guys some breadcrumbs, because we all love those tasty, juicy, delicious breadcrumbs. And if you're starving for more content, during the week and I don't have anything ready, at least this, you can hear from me. So, whatever. So, in this video, I'm actually doing an unboxing. Yep, first time. And I normally wouldn't do this because, the Cumin Club doesn't exactly belong on here, but because this particular subscription box sort of ties into my it ties into my history of the pen video. I have decided to unbox this with you. This is my first time opening a box from this company. It is called the Calligraphy Box, and I wanted to open my first box with you guys. And just to warn you, we might get visited by a cat, and she's not very happy with me right now because she had to go to the vet today. But who knows, if you hear any meowing in the background, that's just Addie wanting to get on YouTube, just like Lucy, trying to get onto the show. So without further ado, we are going to unbox the Calligraphy Box. So I just remembered, I'm just glad I remembered scissors. So I don't know, we're going to see what it is and we're going to discover it together. And I'm actually really happy I got this one. I actually gave up 2 of my subscription boxes so I could have this one, because that's kind of the smart thing to do. Oh, check this out. Look at this box. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, you could like use this to like repurpose a gift or something. And if anybody in my family really knows me, they know I have a I have kind of an obsession with pretty boxes. I don't know why, but look at that. So I guess we just pull it open here, and we're going to see what we got inside. Now, like, Calligraphy Box, I'm not, like, affiliated with them or anything. I just wanted to share this with you. So what do we got here? What's inside? Okay, it says, in this box, we're going to focus on copper plate calligraphy. Yay! I love doing that. Well, I don't even have the equipment for it, but let's see. Basic strokes, lowercase letters. So we have got... Let's see. Intended for personal or recreational use. May not be published, shared, or distributed. Okay, well, we're not publishing it or sharing it. We're just unboxing it. So I guess that's all right. So let's see what we got here. Oh, we got like a nice little sticker here that says, "You deserve a treat." Oh, yes, I do. Uh-oh. What was that? Okay, that fell out. So let's see what this is. Oh, made in Scotland. Stir well before use. For a range of colors. Oh, okay. We got some ink. And it's a very, very beautiful color, too. Kind of like a nice bright teal. I like that. Here you go, kitty. You get to have the ink. Let's see what else we got here. And, oh, look at this. This is so cool. Letter focus, capital A. Okay, it's like a guideline. I mean, I do have some experience with calligraphy, but I don't really have a lot when it comes to the copper plate script. At least not with a copper plate pen. So this is cool. It says, have you ever sat down to practice but struggled to know what to do or to write? For a writer, that's kind of a no-brainer. So, okay, so let's set that aside. What we got? Oh, look at that. We got some nice... Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Andrea, you're an idiot. Got some nice paper here to practice on. Don't know if you can see that, but... Oh, okay, every letter. I get it. Okay, X. I didn't see that at first. So, That's weird. I wonder why they're all... Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought it was all X's, but it's not. So that will be very helpful. Now what do we got here? The copperplate techniques. Let's see. Oh, the copperplate techniques and minuscule. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's get set up. Huh. So we got practice sheets. It explains about the X height. Like, that's one thing a lot of people need to pay attention to in calligraphy, is the heights of the letters, the slant. In this lesson, we're going to focus on the traditional script of copperplate calligraphy. Okay. Originally called English roundhand. This is really, really nice. And you know what? I like how these lessons are printed out because, I mean, as much as I like to learn, like, off of YouTube or computer, it's always nice to have this to go back to. It's not like you have to worry about a video being taken down. Okay, what do we got here? Huh, I thought they were going to have a pen in here, but I guess they don't. Let's see. Anything else in there? No? So the ink fell out. Oh, we got nibs. Okay. We have some pen nibs. And if you don't know what a nib is, it's a small piece of metal, and it goes on the end of your calligraphy pen. And there's a little channel that runs right down the center. It's like split. And that is what feeds your ink through to the end of the pen. I have this is what would be used in a dip pen. I have dip pens that I've had for years, but you know, if you really want to get creative, you can take one of those ginormous feather quills, or just take a giant feather, cut off the end, and then take like a small, like, bottle brush, or a very thin, like, almost like a little razor or knife or something, and hollow it all out in there. And then you can, like, glue one of these in there, and that way you don't have to recarve your quill over and over again. And then you can wrap ribbon around, like, probably about this much of the feather. So if you got the end of your pen, this much of your feather that's been stripped of the feathers, wrap it in ribbon, and then you have the plume, because that's actually how they did it in the old days. So that is nice. I was really hoping there would be an actual, like, wooden pen in here, like there was in, like, the photo that was in this book here. Let's see if I can find that. Or maybe it was in the other book. Yeah, right there. This is what I'm talking about, the pen there. You can usually fit those nibs in different types of pens. They're pretty universal. So that is it for today. Thank you for coming to my unboxing of the calligraphy box. And I hope this will keep you tied over to my next video, which will be on Arlington Cemetery. And since I do all my scripts myself, it takes hours and hours of research to write the scripts and things like that. And then you got to record it, and then edit the recording, and then find footage. And I do all of that myself, so that's why it takes me so long. And hopefully one day, if I can afford to stay home and do YouTube all the time, then one day I will be able to do more videos more often. But for right now, I'm just going to release some of these small ones, maybe once or twice a week, just to kind of stay in touch with you guys. I really want to connect with the people who watch me. And I'd really like to know, like, what you would like to see. You know, give me some ideas. I mean, not that I'm running short of ideas, but I want to give you guys what you want, okay? So that's it for this episode of Unhidden History. Take care. Until next time, stay unhidden.